Estás? ¿Dónde estás?
It's still not working.
Say hi, guys.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hey guys, we're going to the beach.
This is about the fort. Look at
Yes,
it,
I was
everybody.
gonna say,
Look
we're
at
going
it.
to
It's
the
better than
beach.
yours.
Stop it. So we're going to the beach. Turn it on. We're going to the beach, and we'll come back when we get there. Bye. So hot. I think it's like 85 degrees today. It's steaming hot. Like yesterday was okay, but today, oh, it's boiling hot. I have to turn the AC up. Like OMG. Go your bed.
Go on, get your bed, people. There's nothing for you to watch, right? No.
I wonder where we're gonna find parking now.
The beach, baby.
That's the thing about down here. You gotta find a parking, and you gotta pay for it. But it's pretty easy. You just download the app, the Park mobile app, y'all, and just pay through the app. Extend your time if you need to.
Oh, mommy, like that's a parking spot, right?
No, that's not a parking spot. That's just the side of the road.
No, right there.
Where? That's not a spot.
Booty.
How am I gonna fit there?
You're gonna poop. What? No, hey, you poop too much.
Every time she has something to say, it's about poop.
We should make a channel called
But that's the beach, guys.
Beach. Let me see the beach.
Let me see if I can get some.
Oh, I can't
up
see
close.
anything. I can only see somebody's head. No, that's it.
So beautiful.
Go see.
They always make you feel relaxed. That's
Look,
what
it's
I
right
like.
here.
No parking, anything.
I don't see no sand, so how's
Okay.
it called the beach and beautiful?
You not seeing the sand because we not down there yet.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Well, can we hurry to find a parking spot so we can
Be patient.
be patient?
Will you?
It's not on vacation. It's only Sunday.
Well,
Everybody.
a weekend is like a vacation when I'm off. Okay? Because
I think I see nothing.
we are trying to find a parking. It's spring break, so it's a lot of people from different places about this life right now. So yeah, it's college spring break, so you know a lot of people are out here than usual. So yeah, but the beach is so beautiful.
We gotta go far up ahead.
The beach need to clean up.
Come on, guys, let's try to get far.
All right, race. See who can win. Who is the
Here to there?
the Usain Bolt of the triplets?
Okay. Here to there?
Here to down there.
All the way down there?
Yeah,
Where that
yeah,
the flag is?
yeah. Go on your mark. Come on. You gonna run? You gonna race the boys?
And you can try too.
Go ahead.
Out of all of the children. No. Out of all the children race, okay, Mama? How about that?
Go ahead. On your mark. On your mark. On your mark, Isaiah. On your mark. Get set. Come. Wait. It's not go yet. Abigail. No, we're doing it from here to there. I'm gonna be far away. On your mark. Come on. On your mark, Isaiah. Get set. Go. Go, Isaiah. Go, go, go. Beat him, beat him. Beat him, Isaiah. He made
I think you're going the wrong way.
That's what it was like when they were babies. One was going that way, the other one going that way. Oh my God. They are so funny. She's so scared of the water, she wouldn't even go in. Only the pool, and if they have a mini pool, it has to be like one of those, what do you call it, pools that has some kind of, I don't know, like, where she doesn't feel like she's gonna drown.
Alright, so you get a big mountain. I made it back. I did it.
Where's Isaiah now? Oh, he's gone over, he's gone in the water. No one wants to bury your feet, Hannah.
Yeah, your feet way too sticky. Ooh, soccer ball! So we can play volleyball. It's not soccer ball. Stop saying volleyball. I like it. Volleyball. I'm gonna go in the water. I'm gonna name it Pika Pika Pika.
You silly girl.
Okay, I'm gonna name
Why I don't give you my stuff, you know. So we are leaving the beach now. So beautiful here. It's gorgeous.
She's not really receptive like her brother is, but
Yeah, they're really long.
He's scared of dogs. But the funny thing is, it would have been good for him. Because you know why? He's autistic.
oh,
The dogs. And they usually help them, you know? You know those German Shepherds and
Yeah.
stuff?
oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
A dog like that, Mom. I want to live a dog like that.
He is so cute.
Take a picture. Take a picture.
You want to take a picture with him?
Oh yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Hold on.
No, he's actually she's a Samoyed.
Ah, so
Originally,
cute.
yeah, they do come from like Arctic regions.
Yeah.
Sorry, she's friendly. She just gets a little excited. I should probably move because she gets
Scared.
to get loud.
Who?
Yeah.
So cute.
Guys.
Aww, look at that.
It's a little too excited.
That's so cute.
It's a little bit too big for me. Okay, buddy. Come on.
I want a dog like that. I want to see one. I want one.
So cute.
That man is very. That mean the dog's gonna take her to take sleeping with us?
They're here making plans about a dog.
Yeah, because you said that.
They want a Samoyed.
Get a Samoyed.
I always like German Shepherds though. Pick it up, Isaiah. You can't just drop your. Open the car door. I need to wash my car after this. It's so dirty. Look at it. Super.
Family and you're alive.
Oh, they got a Neiman Marcus right here. Ooh. They should go there.
What's that? Is that a restaurant?
No, Neiman Marcus is like a place where you buy clothes. They got all designers.
Gucci. I saw a German Shepherd. Mama. Mommy, can you see if your phone will turn on? I want to.
We gotta wait a little while.
Okay, when your phone turn on, tell me. Yeah, Mama. Please. Mommy. We want to use your. Cause then whenever your phone, when your hotspot is on, I can always have Wi-Fi. Mommy, I'm sure too. Mommy. When we get home, we're gonna get lunch. What are we gonna get for dinner, guys?
I don't know what y'all wanna eat.
Pizza.
Huh?
Crystal pie and
Pizza on a Sunday?
Yeah, pizza. We didn't go out to get anything, did we? Yeah. On Friday we didn't go.
Yeah, but y'all go out what day at Cucina? You forgot?
What's Cucina?
What's Cucina?
That pizza place we went to.
What is that?
Cucina, that's what it's called.
Oh, that
Oh,
place?
that place? Okay, we can go to Wendy's.
Huh?
Go Wendy's.
Can I get some McDonald's?
Wendy's for what?
Can I get some chicken?
For
food?
dinner.
Wendy's for dinner?
Yep.
For lunch.
Oh, Wendy's don't.
For lunch. For lunch. We just
I'm trying to find Royal Palm Road.
We can go for lunch.
No.
Oh, okay, it's right here.
Wendy's?
Royal Palm. Wait.
Where are we going?
No. Poop.
Oh, I got my own mobile hotspot. We're not.
What, we gonna use my poop and buy the stuff this time?
No.
What we gonna use? We're gonna use my poop and buy the stuff this time.
No.
Oh, well, that's all the poop. That's all the poop money I got.
Mom, I'm gonna name my mobile hotspot. I gotta get about poop.
I'm gonna go poop and then put it in the bag.
I'm not joking.
Put it in the bag.
Once we talk about it, you don't.
You don't want to hear. She don't want to hear when she's hungry. That's what it is.
Mommy, I'm over poop.
You're
I'm
over
not saying anything about poop.
Anymore?
We're supposed to believe that.
In our dream, Hannah. How about
when I'm dead, okay?
you go use the bathroom and poop in your face and get some doo doo. And the boo boo. Okay.
I gotta take grandma to church.
What?
Oh.
And then we go to Dollar General.
Go do what?
Do what?
Get some milk. Get some milk to help for you.
She said to get her some mental milk.
A mental milk?
No, I said to eat snacks. No, that's what I said. I said to eat snacks in the store. I named my hotspot Elijah's hotspot, but I don't know the word. Everybody do snack band. Everybody go to a store and eat snacks. Mommy. Oh, I can connect. Mommy, can we go? Away. Mommy, can we go to the store and eat snacks?
Put your seatbelt.
There.
Seatbelt.
Mommy, can we go to the store and eat snacks in it? At the store. Mommy, how do I
No.
How do I use the hotspot?
I'm gonna poop first.
How do I use the hotspot? Let's go.
My phone isn't on yet.
Oh.
And then you have to go to settings and pick it up.
Snack store to eat in.
Oh, she's thinking about his food.
Move Isaiah. Stop.
So we at Bole.
And we took a shower and then we got dressed and went to Bola. And my mom was too tired to sleep up. And this rice is kind of dry. This is spicy and bitter.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Booty!